When you are asked to type a response, you will use your keyboard to type and edit your response within the space provided. Below the response space are two numbers. These numbers represent the number of characters you have typed and the maximum number of characters you can enter. Keyboard editing controls like Ctrl X, C, and V can be used to cut, copy, and paste within the response space. Some of these questions have several parts, and these parts may appear across several screens. Select Next and Back to move between the parts of the question. Some of these questions will require that you enter text in a small box. Most of the time, only a few characters are necessary in order to answer a question in a small box. Within the Help library, you can read additional information about how to use the tools and features available to you during your online test. You can access help at any time during your test. Scoring guidelines are available in the Help library. They are examples of the scoring guidelines that professional scorers will use to evaluate your responses. You may refer to these scoring guidelines at any time. A formula sheet is available during the test. It contains information you may need to solve questions. The formula sheet can be repositioned as needed, and you can have other tools, such as the calculator, open at the same time. You can access the formula sheet at any time during your test. The Equation Builder allows you to type in specialized symbols to represent expressions, equations, and inequalities. Equations are built using the keyboard, pointer tool, and symbol buttons. For example, when entering values in a fraction, select the Fraction button and enter the numerator with the keyboard, then use the pointer tool to move the cursor to the denominator to enter that value. When you select the OK button, the Equation Builder closes and your equation is entered into the response box. If you want to edit your equation, select the equation you created to reopen your equation in the Equation Builder. You must close the Equation Builder before moving on to another question. Some questions will ask you to interact with a clock graphic. You can draw both the hour hand and the minute hand by selecting the clock hand from the drop-down menu. Draw the hour hand with the hour mark. Select the minute hand and draw the location to show the number of minutes. To start over, select the Clear All button.